Hello scrappers! The video you are about to watch was filmed a long time ago in a garage far, far away when scrap prices were much higher and I was drunk like 90% of the time, and I don't even remember filming half of these, so I'm seeing them for the first time too. So sit back and enjoy one of my older videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Alright guys, fellow scrappers, today I got this nice little shop vac to scrap. I already plugged it, already tried it, doesn't work. My friend said he thinks it's the switch because he saw smoke come out of the switch when it died. I don't care, I ain't gonna fix it, and I don't even have the hose for it anyways. So I'm gonna strip my cord. I always strip all my wire. What you do is you cut your plug end off if you're gonna strip it. Cut your plug end off, and you pry these out. Then you got bare bright and brass. These pry out very easily. I do it all the time. So I got some garbage, some brass and bare bright, and cut this wire off to make it a little easier to work with. I got some wire I'm going to strip, and these wheels come out pretty easily. There's a lot of tin here. I'm going to throw these in my tin bucket just the way they are. Scrapyard will buy them like this. When I go to the scrapyard, I'll just dump them in the pile. And this lower bucket's plastic. Let's see if I can get the motor out of this. It looks like a bunch of Torxes to me. Now, since this is a wet dry vac, these just might be stainless. Nope, just tin. So I'll get all the screws out real quick here. These are usually mostly plastic. Plastic. A little screw right there that didn't want to come out. A lot more plastic. The float. Oh, look at that, it's all full of tinsel and Christmas tree stuff. That's funny. Let's see if I can get the motor out of this now. Another screw there. More plastic. Hey, look at all the stuff in the motor. Wonder why it didn't work. This is aluminum. I can just tell by looking at it. Plus it bends real easy. I don't have a hex bit long enough for that. I do see some little tabs in here I can probably pry out. A lot of times when I scrap stuff, it's pretty much scrapping it for the first time because everything is different these days. I think I'm going to have to put this on the floor and hit it with the sledgehammer. Alright, I found a Torx bit that fits those screws, and I have it taped to my extension so it won't slide in. Let's see if it works. Oh, thank God there's only 3 of them. Oh, that worked. Yeah, but the problem is the only thing those 3 screws loosened up was the top cap. I still can't get the motor out. So at least I can get the wires off the switch. And get the switch out. If it'll let me. Switch is out. Yeah, the switch was burnt up. All I needed was a new switch. So I'll be of course pulling these out. These are brass. And then I'll throw the rest of this on my copper bearing, even though there's nothing in it. I still gotta figure out a way to get the motor out. Some nice wires to strip. Alright, I've about had enough messing around with this piece of crap. Some plastic. Oh, where'd the commuter go? It's in one of my buckets. That wasn't that hard. Now I got the brushes and the brush housings to dig out of here. Brush housings. Ooh, there's some copper right there. All just plastic. Brush housing are usually brass. These ones are tin. The brushes, there's some kind of carbon. I always throw them in my copper bearing bucket. I don't care. But it's a nice lump of copper in here and a nice piece of heavy melt. This copper comes out of this motor easily. Cut it on one side. And pull it out the other. So you got some heavy melt, some number 2 copper, you got some cast aluminum, some number 2 coated copper, but I'm going to strip it. Got lots of little bits of brass in here. And some sheet aluminum. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.